Struggling with a boring or cramped bathroom? What if I told you that with just a few design tweaks, you could turn your bathroom into a luxurious retreat? Whether you're working with a tiny space or planning a full remodel, today's video is packed with bathroom design ideas that will blow your mind. From small bathroom ideas to modern bathroom inspo, we've got it all. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing decor tips every week. Ever feel like your small bathroom is working against you? You're not alone. 60% of homeowners struggle to make their tiny space feel open and stylish. But here's the secret. With the right design tricks, you can make your bathroom look twice as big without spending a fortune. Stay with me because these 5 genius hacks will transform your space into a modern, airy retreat. 1. Use light colors for an airy, spacious feel. Color is one of the easiest ways to manipulate space. Light, neutral shades like soft white, warm beige, and elegant gray reflect natural and artificial light, instantly making your bathroom feel larger. But here's the pro tip. Opt for large format tiles in the same shade to create a seamless, uninterrupted look that tricks the eye into seeing more space. Expert insight, according to interior designers, glossy or satin finished tiles bounce light around the room, further enhancing the illusion of openness. So if you want that sleek, high-end hotel vibe, choose tiles with a subtle sheen. 2. Floating vanities. More space, more style. Traditional bathroom vanities can make a small space feel even tighter. That's where floating vanities come in. By lifting the cabinet off the floor, you create visual depth, making the room feel larger while keeping it functional. Pro tip: choose a floating vanity with built-in drawers to keep essentials organized while maintaining a clutter-free look. Pair it with a wall-mounted faucet to free up even more counter space. What to look for: wood or glossy finishes for a modern touch, built-in LED lighting for a soft, luxurious glow. Compact, wall-mounted designs for extra legroom. 3. Mirror magic, the ultimate space amplifier. A well-placed mirror can double the sense of space in your bathroom. The trick? Go big. The larger the mirror, the greater the illusion of depth. A frameless, wall-to-wall mirror instantly makes your bathroom feel expansive. Designer secret: if possible, position your mirror opposite a window or a light source to reflect even more brightness into the room. Want to take it up a notch? Install a backlit LED mirror to add depth and a soft spa-like glow. 4. Vertical storage, smart organization without the clutter. Let's face it, small bathrooms often suffer from lack of storage. Instead of crowding your countertops, think vertically. Tall, slim cabinets or floating shelves utilize unused wall space without making the room feel cramped. Best storage ideas for small bathrooms: built-in niches in the shower for bottles and essentials, over-the-toilet shelving for smart, space-saving organization, hanging baskets or ladder racks for a cozy farmhouse chic look. Pro tip: stick to open shelving with uniform containers or baskets to keep things looking neat and visually light. 5. Glass shower doors. The instant space expander shower curtains might be convenient, but they also cut off visual flow, making your bathroom feel smaller than it really is. The solution? A clear, frameless glass shower door. It removes barriers, letting light travel through and giving the illusion of a larger space. Why it works: no visual clutter. The eye continues beyond the glass, making the room feel more open, more natural light. Your bathroom instantly looks bigger and brighter. Luxury upgrade: glass doors create a sleek, high-end aesthetic. Alternative idea: if privacy is a concern, go for frosted or textured glass. It still keeps the space open while maintaining discretion. Which of these small bathroom hacks are you most excited to try? Do you already use any of these design tricks? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Bathroom remodel ideas. Ready for a full transformation? These bathroom remodel ideas will take your space from drab to fab. Modern bathroom ideas. Think clean lines, minimalist fixtures, and smart tech like motion sensor faucets. Walk-in shower ideas. Ditch the tub and opt for a walk-in shower with stunning tile work. It's a total game changer. Luxury bathroom inspirations. Add a freestanding tub, chandelier lighting, or even a heated floor for that spa-like feel. Farmhouse bathroom ideas. Shiplap walls, rustic vanities, and vintage fixtures can give your bathroom a cozy, timeless look. Bathroom tile ideas. Experiment with patterns like herringbone or geometric designs for a bold statement. Want more details on any of these remodel ideas? Drop a comment below and I'll make a dedicated video just for you. Bathroom decor ideas. Now, let's talk decor. Even the smallest changes can make a huge impact. Here are 5 bathroom decor ideas to refresh your space without breaking the bank. Organic bathroom decor. Bring in plants like ferns or succulents for a fresh, natural vibe. Bathroom wall decor. Add personality with framed art, peel and stick wallpaper, or even a bold accent wall. Minimalist bathroom design. Less is more. Keep countertops clutter-free and focus on a few statement pieces. Bathroom mirror ideas. Upgrade your mirror with a stylish frame or go for a unique shape like a circle or hexagon. Half bathroom ideas. Don't neglect your powder room. A bold paint color or quirky decor can make it a conversation starter. Which of these decor ideas is your favorite? Let me know. I read every comment. Spa-like bathroom designs. Who doesn't want their bathroom to feel like a spa? Imagine stepping into a serene, luxurious space every single day. Here's how to create a spa-like bathroom design that'll make you feel like you're on a permanent vacation. Calming colors. Stick to soft, soothing colors like pale blues, greens, or neutral tones. These shades instantly create a relaxing atmosphere. Pair them with natural light or warm LED lighting to enhance the vibe. Luxury touches. Upgrade your everyday essentials to feel like royalty. Think plush, high-quality towels, a rainfall shower head for that luxurious shower experience, and an essential oil diffuser to fill the room with calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus. Natural materials. Bring the outdoors in with natural materials like wood, stone, or bamboo. A teak bath mat, stone countertops, or bamboo shelving can add warmth and texture to your space, making it feel more organic and relaxing. Declutter. A clutter-free space is key to that spa-like calm. Use hidden storage solutions like floating shelves, vanity drawers, or baskets to keep your countertops clean and organized. Less clutter equals more relaxation. Extra touches. Don't forget the little details that make a big difference. Add a cozy bathrobe hook, a tray for your bath essentials, or even a small Bluetooth speaker to play relaxing music while you unwind. Which of these spa-like bathroom ideas are you adding to your space? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're creating your own personal retreat. Pro tips and final thoughts. Before we wrap up, here are 3 pro tips to make your bathroom design journey even easier. Plan ahead. Always measure your space and create a mood board before starting any project. Budget wisely. Splurge on statement pieces like tiles or fixtures, but save on decor items. Stay inspired. Follow accounts like ours for daily decor inspiration and tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's planning a bathroom makeover. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing design ideas. Thanks for watching. Your dream bathroom is just a few design tweaks away. Whether you're going for modern bathroom ideas, small bathroom remodels, or luxury spa vibes, I hope this video inspired you to take the plunge. Until next time, happy decorating. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.